Synthesizing multiple arguments. A deep dive. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: synthesizing multiple arguments to form a coherent perspective. This is an essential skill, especially when comparing and contrasting different viewpoints in academic writing. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to effectively analyze various arguments and bring them together in a comprehensive and well-thought-out manner. Synthesizing, in the context of academic writing, means taking multiple sources or arguments and combining them to produce a single, cohesive point of view or perspective. Think of it as mixing different colors to produce a unique shade. It's not about picking a side. Instead, it's about understanding the nuances of each argument and seeing where they intersect, differ, and complement one another. 1. Enhances critical thinking. By comparing and contrasting different arguments, you engage with the material more deeply, challenging your understanding and enhancing your critical thinking skills. 2. Produces well-rounded arguments. Your writing becomes richer when you acknowledge different perspectives and show how they can coexist or conflict. 3. Boosts credibility. Demonstrating that you've considered multiple viewpoints indicates thorough research and increases the credibility of your writing. 1. Gather your sources. Before synthesizing, you need to have a clear understanding of the arguments you're working with. Read and annotate each one. 2. Identify common themes. Look for overlapping ideas or themes present in multiple arguments. These will be the pillars of your synthesized perspective. 3. Acknowledge differences. Point out where the sources differ. This shows that you've considered all aspects of the argument. 4. Draw connections. Highlight how different arguments can support or refute one another. This creates a dynamic dialogue within your writing. 5. Formulate your perspective. After analyzing the arguments, create a new, synthesized perspective. Remember, this doesn't mean choosing a side, but rather presenting a well-informed, cohesive viewpoint. 1. Stay neutral. Your role is to be an informed mediator. Avoid taking a personal stance unless the assignment requires it. 2. Use transitional phrases. Words like, however, in contrast, and, similarly, help guide the reader through your synthesized argument. 3. Quote sparingly. While quotes can be powerful, over-relying on them can make your writing feel disjointed. Paraphrase when possible and always cite your sources. 4. Seek feedback. Once you've written your synthesis, share it with peers or mentors. They might offer insights or perspectives you hadn't considered. Synthesizing multiple arguments can seem daunting at first, but with practice, you'll find it to be a valuable tool in academic writing. Remember, it's all about understanding, comparing, and weaving different perspectives together. We hope this video sheds light on how to master this skill. Keep practicing, and happy writing!